Did you know that if you were born like a couple hundred years earlier?
Palm tree? It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't name it your pups, right?
What happened to your hair?
Hey. Hey.
Good morning. Hello. Are you so sleepy?
Hey. Hey, boy. What's up? Andy.
Hello, baby. Oh!
Can I pet your dog?
Oh my god.
Man, get out.
Yep, Carm.
Get out.
Seriously killing the food truck.
Okay, I'm gonna call Dad. That's it. Dad. Dad.
Daddy-o.
No, you're not getting him right now. No.
Stop, MJ. Didn't I say fucking stop?
Get up there.
Get up there!
Deuce, can you get out the kitchen, please? Get your ass out the goddamn.
Marley, what do you think you're doing? No.
No, go further away. No, no.
Thank you. Paw. Thank you. Paw. Paw.
You're gonna sit over there now?
All I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
What's the deal? I'm Power Play Bobby, this scrunch money, hardest white dog in the game.
No.
Guys, meet Buell. How cool is Buell? Same haircut as...
I will reiterate. I don't know whose dog this is.
Someone just...
Okay. Gigi! Stop!
Maybe say sit?
No, it's not. It's...
Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Walter.
Oi.
Hi. Hi.
You wanna go for a...
Does anyone want to go for a walk?
Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk.
Come on, let's go. Hi, can I touch you? Oh, okay.
6 feet back. Back up. Back up. What the hell?
Lie down. Lie down.
Don't touch. Don't touch. He's a good boy. Very handsome.
I said paper. Ah, cool. Cool. Don't worry, it's recorded. The teeth are still messing.